Hi everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your eyeshadow pop by using Visine. And today's eyeshadow I'm going to use Makeup Forever, and it's called Star Powder, and it is a powder eyeshadow. So you want to start off with a thin brush. I'm starting off with a thin brush because I just want a thin layer of eyeshadow across my top lid, and you just need a tiny bit of Visine. So then after I put that one drop of Visine on my brush, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So you just want to put a tiny bit and then dip the brush into the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to sweep a clean line on my top lid. And I want my line to be a little thicker today, so I'm going to go over it twice. And you can use the same Visine for the second lid, so you only just need a little bit of Visine. And because the Visine is going to be wet, you want to give some time for it to dry. Just about a minute or so. And because I like my eyes to really pop, I'm going to put some eyeliner. Not too thick of a layer, but just again, a clean layer of eyeliner. Not too thick. So after I put my eyeliner on, I brush my eyelashes so I can apply my mascara. And the mascara I like to use is Sensational Last by Maybelline. This is the only drugstore mascara that I like. And I usually put about 3 coats. And if you let the second coat dry just a little bit, and then you go in for your third coat, it'll be thicker. But you don't want it to dry too fast because otherwise, or too much, because otherwise your mascara will have clumps. And I don't like clumps on my eyelashes, so you want to make sure that it doesn't dry too much. And this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.